Here are a few words about Udayon. This is a cloud-based application. Here we use Google and AWS Cloud. It creates a better configuration. There is no chance of getting the cloud server down. Thus, application will work 24/7 hours without creating any type of problems or disturbances. If we update the application, it will get automatically updated without any re-registration. Thus, the users can always get the latest update application. Our application has 4 modules: admin, teacher, accounts, and vehicles. Let's explain a bit about this application. Admin section is only available to principal and management staffs. Any admin can create users for this application based on his or her operation. If a person is employed as a teacher, his accounts will have only teacher right, or if a person works for accounts, his or her right will be accounts. So, every person is responsible to his or her operation and no one can migrate to other rights. There are some activities under this admin section, such as registration of staffs and students, notice board, holiday list, examination related information, event list, timetable, gallery. Teachers. This section is only applicable to those who have teacher right. Here, teacher can keep the records of students easily without any paperwork. They can share classwork, homework, educational videos, they can conduct online classes and many other facilities. This module have the following sections: attendance, homework, classwork, videos, online classes, leave, grievances, result upload, library, assessments, syllabus and assignment. Accounts section. Account section is only applicable to those who have account rights, and this module have the following sections: create fees head, create monthly structure, create specific period structure, create vehicle fees, view acknowledgement of unregistered online payment issues, approve unregistered online payment fees, view daily payment records, view statements, and so on. Vehicles. Vehicle section is only applicable to those who have vehicle rights. This module provides and creates driver details, register a vehicle and GPRS device information. View student enlisted under a vehicle. If student misses any educational class or seminar, how will you get it? Any educational videos, if uploaded by the teacher, can be viewed easily by the students through our application. Sometimes students hide their assessment paper from parents, and guardians remains in total darkness about their ward's performance in school. This is a big problem. How can this be solved? Here is a solution through our app Udayan. A periodical assessment on each subject as the performance of the students can be tracked by the parents against their children. A graphical representation of assessment is shown based on their periodical assessment. It's easier to understand the performance indicators of their children. What will happen if your child remains absent from school on a particular day? Yes, it is a big problem to collect the day's work. You have to collect the same from his friends. Now, no need to be worried. You can easily get it through our application when the subject teachers will upload the same through our application. During any emergency period when school has to remain closed, what will be the educational structure? Don't worry, Udayan is here to help you. Teachers can easily reach the students through online classes. If student misses any educational class or seminar, how will you get it? Any educational videos, if uploaded by the teacher, can be viewed easily by the students through our application. Sometimes it may happen that you have to stand in a long queue to do the fees payment, or you may be delayed or cannot reach the bank or school for certain unavoidable conditions. Then, what's the solution? Mostly, payments of fees are made by physically going to bank or school. Working parents faces problems visiting school or bank due to time constraints. We provide online payment gateway system by which they can make the payment easily, and the school can have the running capital on monthly basis without seeking delayed payment or to intimate notice for the payments. What will happen if your child don't reach home in time after school? Don't do panic. You can easily locate your child's school bus and access approximate time required to reach your home through our application.